Carrie Gayu, and my bus is If Wishes Were Horses Bus, and that's my Instagram account as well. So it's all just one word, If Wishes Were Horses Bus. It's a 29-foot, 1999 Freightliner bus, diesel. Come on in. So it's a little dark because we don't have a lot of sun today. My bus was, the interior layout was designed by me, and it was built by Yeti Bus Builds and Stillwater Woodworking. So I have a little wood stove, tiny wood stove, and this is my refrigerator. It's one of my favorite things in my bus, and very nice. My couch, I had my cushions made by Hearth and Home Store on Etsy, and it's great because it's an actual, like an old French ticking mattress. And then I have 2 drawers, so, and we all signed it, everybody who worked on it, so we have provenance. And let's see, so this is like a little eating area, desktop where I can sit. I have this really cool sink. I didn't want a stainless steel sink, but we wanted to have something light, and so I was able to find this. It's a Krause sink, and it's enamel coated, which is pretty neat. Yep. And then I have 2 ways to do water. I have a foot pump, and then I also have a switch, which also turns on the on-demand hot water, which is really nice. And then my Berkey, which is wonderful. Propane stove. I have a 15-gallon propane tank. I have a 40-gallon freshwater, 40-gallon gray. And then back here is the bathroom and bedroom. Very messy. What's really cool about this, and I don't know if you can tell from there, but this is like this external pocket door. And it latches from the inside as well. So if anybody's traveling with me, they can have a little privacy in the bathroom. Right. And it latches. So I have a full-size shower and Nature's Head toilet and this XL on-demand hot water heater. And then I've always loved glass brick, and so we sourced this from Seattle Glass Company, and which is really nice, and it allows the natural light to come through. And then this is the bedroom, and it's nice because the LED lighting goes through as well.
I noticed you had little thin, small stairs to help get up there.
Well, when we were building this, it was pretty funny because I had the mattress sent to them, but they hadn't unrolled it, and it was much bigger than they expected. And so it's actually a 9-inch green latex mattress, so it repels any bugs, moisture, that type of thing. So it was the last thing that was built, and I was up in Sandpoint. They're like, Carrie, can you come over to the shop? We need to look at this. And so I said, as long as I have steps to climb up, and I've actually got a couple of little handrails here, I can climb up. And it's really nice. It's super comfortable. And then I have this storage, and I do Maria Kondo rolling of my clothing. So my pants are down here, and my shirts are in the front.
And I assume you got, for the side door and the back door, access to underneath. And
Right, so this is my handicap door, and I sourced my bus through a friend in Texas, and I keep, like, my hoses and my gray water sewer hose, all of that stuff I can access from here, and then stuff that I don't use as often, I use from the back.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, well, thank you.
Beautiful bus.
Okay.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.